Are you looking for the best facelift roller massage instrument? In this video we will look at some of the best facelift roller massage instrument on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. 3D Facelift Roller Massage Instrument. 3D Massager Facelift promotes skin tightening, body shaping and promote the blood circulation. Skin tightening with new kneading technology, rotation in 360-degree cleaning and massage totally. Adapt for the sensitivity and unconscious skin. Beauty skills simulate the trick of cosmetologists to design the beads for massage any part of body. PT beads. The surface of the beads plate a thick layer of PT with good heat resistance and acid resisting, which can keep gloss. Number 2. 1 PCS 9-wheel Fascia Muscle Roller, Cellulite Roller, Massage Roller. Newly upgraded, the upgraded version of the muscle roller adopts an ergonomic design. 2 rollers are added on the basis of the original 4-wheel muscle roller. The rounded bumps can avoid unnecessary pain or bruises. Made of strong and durable high-quality materials to increase ductility and flexibility. Effectively relieve cellulite. Cellulite is mostly located on the inner thigh, outer thigh, buttocks, the back of the arm, and other parts that are not easy to exercise. Number 3. Foot Massage Roller Peanut Double Lacrosse Spiky Ball. A good tool to relieve muscle tension and promote blood circulation. Professional massage ball with high quality materials. Massage when the acupoint or the trigger point of injury has a good effect. Whole body massage, such as your palms, feet, ankles, arms, neck and back. Material PVC color purple, blue, red, black. Size about 15 6.5 centimeters. Suitable age, children/adults/elderly. Suitable parts: hands, feet, neck, shoulders, arms, back, waist, etc. Number 4. Foot Massage Relief Stress Roller Porcupine Ball. 100% brand new and high quality wood foot roller massager. A simple yet very effective foot massager. Made from solid wood, simply roll your foot over the roller and let the various ridges massage deep into the different parts of your foot. Deep tissue massage, kneads and stimulates, provides relaxation, stress relief in feet and body. The rubber roller on each end ensures a firm grip and a smooth ride, easy to use on any flat surface. Perfect for tired, aching feet, runners, diabetic foot issues, plantar fasciitis. Number 5. Natural Rose Quartz Jade Roller. 100% natural jade stone. Anti-aging, anti-wrinkles line, reduce dark under eyes, better skin and health without any chemicals or irritants. The big roller is ideal for neck, chin, cheeks, and forehead, while the smaller is perfect for around the eyes, nose, and lips. The roller promotes blood circulation, which can reduce puffiness and wrinkling and metabolism of skin surface, and promote skin elasticity.